This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by capturing the cleanest source possible. First, position the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth with a cardioid pattern and pop filter. That reduces plosives and side noise. Next, record a 10 to 20 second room noise sample at the same gain. You'll use it as a noise profile later. Finally, set your input gain so peaks sit near -12 dBFS. This preserves headroom while keeping the voice loud enough for processing. Once you have a noise profile, apply a profile-based denoiser with a light first pass to avoid artifacts. Then insert a high-pass filter around 60 to 120 Hz to remove rumble, and use narrow EQ cuts to tame steady hums or room resonances. After that, open a spectral editor to remove isolated clicks and tonal noises by hand. Make conservative selections. Finally, add a noise gate with a short attack and release. To finish, apply gentle compression to control dynamics, then a broad EQ for clarity and a limiter to catch peaks. Export at 24-bit WAV or 16-bit for final delivery. Make sure to check the mix in mono and on multiple playback systems to confirm noise isn't hidden. If you hear denoising artifacts, reduce the reduction amount, run a lighter second pass, or use spectral repair tools on problem areas. This troubleshooting step often fixes unnatural robotic tones without losing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.